Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. I'm just another review guy, and today we're going to take a look at the rear tail lights and the third brake light for 2010 Ford F-150. I need to replace them on my truck, so I bought a couple off Amazon. I bought the rear tail lights and the third brake light. Links in the description below. Those are affiliate links, of course, so if you pick one up, I make a couple pennies. But let's go and check out how the rear tail lights came in to me. They came in a nice box, nicely packed, and they have the plastic protection on the lens so they don't get scratched up. We'll go and pull them out of the box. We'll undo the plastic protection. We'll look at how it's molded, and then we'll move on to the third. All right, guys, the 2010 Ford F-150 rear tail light, I upgraded it to the black molding instead of the chrome. Thought that might look a little bit of an update for, you know, my year truck. My truck currently has chrome. These are black. Anybody love the feel of peeling off plastic? It's like when you get a new iPhone, right? All right, guys, here they are. They look nice. The rear tail light or the rear reverse light right here. Brake lights, turn signals. It is stamped here, rated SAE DOT. Left, tells you which is left, which is right. These are made in China, but I'm assuming the Ford ones are too right off the truck. Now looking at them and comparing them to what's on there, everything looks pretty accurate. Here's the pins. You push it into the body clips to lock it in. And then these are the two bolts here, or screws, whatever you want to call it, that hold it in place. Seems pretty tight. We'll know if they hold water out when I put them in the truck. All right, let's go and take a look at the third. Actually, before we go to the third brake light, let's take a look at the other tail light. Let's make sure it came in. It comes in bubble wrapping. Same thing, same light, but this one is stamped. We'll have to see what it's stamped. It looks like it's stamped for the right. But here's the plastic peeling off. No damage, no cracks. Everything is there where it's supposed to be. Right hand molded in China. So let's go ahead and check out the third brake light, since these are pretty much mirror images. All right, guys, the third brake light, I also opted in for a different style than what's on there already. Comes with a plastic film. We'll go ahead and peel that off. Oh yeah. These ones are actually LEDs instead of the bulbs. Has the plugins for everything that go directly into your truck. And the two screw holes right here, 1 and 2. It also comes with the little weather stripping sealer so it doesn't leak. And there's 2 little rubber grommets right here for your screws so you don't hopefully crack your third brake light lens when you're installing it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's review of these tail lights and third brake lights that I bought off Amazon. Links in the description below. Now the Fitmet isn't perfect on these tail lights, but it don't matter. It's a Ford truck and it's a work truck. The 2 8mm screws, they were about I don't know, 1/16 of an inch off, right? So whatever, just use the number 8 socket with your impact gun and drive those things in. I'm not gonna cuss because of YouTube, but you know what I'm saying, right? Who cares? It's just a work truck. The sockets all fit right. The reverse light socket though was pretty sloppy. I'm not sure why or if it's gonna be an issue, but we'll see. But otherwise, the brake light, tail light, the turn signals and all that fit in there just perfect like factory. So as always, link for the tail lights are in the description below. I think I paid 80 bucks for the set. I'll be doing another review on some bright LED bulbs, see if there's an actual difference. So keep an eye out for that video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.